We've got a new name, same mission. Sustainable Survival Hub is now FlintReady. Survival knowledge, structured. Let's get into it. In an emergency, your smartphone isn't just for social media. It's a lifeline for communication, navigation, and accessing critical information. But what happens when the grid goes down and your battery dies? That's where a reliable portable power bank becomes an absolute essential. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular and trusted options on the market, the Anker PowerCore 1000. Is it the right choice for your emergency kit? Let's find out. The Anker PowerCore 1000 is renowned for striking an excellent balance between capacity, portability, and price. Let's look at its core features. Capacity. As the name suggests, it boasts a 10,000 mAh battery. This is typically enough to charge most smartphones 2 to 3 times or provide a significant boost to a tablet. Size and weight. It's incredibly compact, often described as palm-sized and lightweight, making it easy to slip into a pocket, backpack, or emergency kit without adding bulk. Output. It usually features a single USB-A output port with Anker's PowerIQ technology, intelligently identifying your device to deliver the fastest possible charge up to 2.4A. Input. Recharging the power bank itself is done via a micro USB input, which can take several hours depending on the charger you use. Durability. Anker products are known for their robust build quality, and the PowerCore 1000 is no exception, designed to withstand the rigors of everyday carry and emergency situations. Where the Anker PowerCore 1000 truly shines is in its real-world performance. It consistently delivers on its promise of reliable, fast charging for a variety of USB-powered devices. During a power outage, it ensures you can keep your phone charged for critical communication, check weather alerts, or even power small USB-powered lights. For campers or hikers, it means keeping your GPS device or headlamp topped up for extended periods. Its simple, no-frills design means there's no complicated setup. Just plug in and charge. The LED indicator lights give you a clear sense of remaining power, so you're never caught completely off guard. Let's summarize the pros and cons of the Anker PowerCore 1000. Pros. Excellent value. Offers great capacity for its price point. Ultra compact and portable. Easy to carry anywhere. Reliable and durable. Built to last with Anker's trusted quality. Fast charging for single device. Power IQ ensures efficient charging. Cons. Single output. Port. You can only charge one device at a time, which might be a limitation in multi-device households or prolonged emergencies. Micro USB input. While common, newer devices often use USB-C, meaning you'll need an extra cable if all your other devices are USB-C. No quick charge power delivery. It doesn't support advanced fast charging standards like quick charge or USB power delivery, so ultra-fast charging for compatible phones isn't an option. So who is the Anker PowerCore 1000 best suited for? It's an ideal choice for budget-conscious preppers. Provides essential power backup without breaking the bank. Minimalist emergency kits. Its small size makes it perfect for compact kits. Solo travelers or commuters. Easily fits in a bag for on-the-go charging. As a primary backup, if you primarily need to keep one phone charged for a few days. If you need to charge multiple devices simultaneously or require the absolute fastest charging speeds for modern flagship phones, you might consider Anker's higher capacity or multi-port power banks. But for sheer reliability and value in a compact form factor, the PowerCore 1000 is hard to beat. The Anker PowerCore 1000 is a fantastic, no-nonsense portable power solution that earns its place in any emergency kit or everyday carry. It's reliable, compact, and delivers solid performance when you need it most.